Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. Guys, I've lost my hair. I want to do a wash day with you all. I hope you enjoyed this wash day routine with me. Please, if you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. Okay guys, so this is going to be a quick wash day because your girl is on that level. Anyway, let's go. I have my shampoo here. This shampoo is already on my channel. So this is the coffee. Is it the coffee or the shebe? Or the I think it's the coffee because the other one has finished yet. This is the coffee shampoo. The last shampoo I dropped on the channel. This is it because I've not really done hair video apart from that last one. So the last shampoo I did on the channel, this is it. So I'm going to be using it to wash my hair. Then I'm going to be doing a deep condition, which will be egg and mayo. Like I said, it's a quick, simple, not complicated, something you can find in your house. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing a deep condition. All right. Then after that, I'll show you guys how I style my hair, and that should be the end. So if you watch it to this extent and you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So guys, let's start my hair wash. This is my hair. This was the hair loss I have. So I'm going to use, why I'm doing this egg and the mayo is to strengthen. It's like protein treatment. I don't have banana. If not, I've used banana for this, but since I don't have banana, I just use the egg as my egg and mayo. That's what I have in my house. Okay, so let's wash my hair. I'm just going to do this thing fast. I didn't carry this thing. Shampoo and towel.
So loves, this was the shampoo I'm using. Is the last shampoo I did on my channel. I said that earlier on. It is the flaxseed and coffee. Yeah, I think flaxseed and coffee shampoo. Okay, so this is what I'm using on my hair. Like every time I use this shampoo on my hair, it leaves my hair feeling super soft and really moisturized because of the flaxseed. Flaxseed has this drawing consistency, so it's kind of like sleepy consistency. So when you use the shampoo on your hair feels that has that sleepy texture. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, so I'm just going to wash my hair like twice, then I'll rinse it out. I used egg and mayo as my protein dipping condition because I lost a lot of hair, as you guys saw. So I'm trying to straighten my hair because I braided my hair towards the Xmas. I think that was December 20 something. Okay, after Christmas, entering the new year. So I'm washing it right now. Okay, and I know that it's more than 2 weeks because you're supposed to leave your braid in for 2 weeks. I feel that is the maximum you should leave your braid in for 2 weeks. Then you wash and rebraid because to limit that to limit hair fall, because I feel when you carry your braids for a longer time your hair intends to cut, and I've done experiments on that. So if I carry my hair for like 2 weeks and I lose it, I don't have much shed as much as I carry it for a month when I do like normal protective style of like box braid and the rest. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, if you feel like that, if you have experienced those kind of stuff, let me know in the comment section. As I said, my channel, we learn from each other. Okay, for me, I've experienced anytime I braid my hair for 2 weeks and I lose it, I don't have much shed as much as when I leave it for a month. Okay, so this my braid, I've left it for more than 2 weeks because I was really busy, so I did not have time to like be touching more of my hair. I just had to focus on what I was doing. So this is the day I had to just lose the hair because it's really old and I need to lose it and wash it because it started becoming itchy. So that's why I am washing it with this my shampoo. Okay, and I'll rinse it out, and I also need to do like a hair treatment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching to this extent. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. As I said, we are trying to grow the channel to 1k subscribers and see if we can monetize the channel as well. So please watch the video to the end. So I might be dropping longer videos, okay love, so please kindly watch it to the end so it can help me to grow my watch hour. And I'll also be doing challenges more often, like 2 weeks challenges more often. So my videos may not be coming as much as 3 times in a week because I'm trying to get an actual result. If I'm doing a hair tea challenge of 2 weeks, it will be dropping after every 2 weeks for us to see the result, because I'll try to film it every day. If I don't film every day for when I am applying the teas on my hair, I'll be filming, like, let's say day 1, day 4, day 7, day 10 and day 14. So that's the way I should, or I might be showing you guys our updates. Okay, so I finished washing my hair, I've rinsed it out. So this is the egg and mayo. I used 1 egg. Okay, I only used the egg yolk. I did not use the white egg. I only used the egg yolk. Then I added a spoon of mayonnaise, and I'm gonna mix everything together. This is really amazing, guys. Like, it's really amazing. So I'm adding my hair oil. This hair oil is also in the channel. Okay, so this is the hair oil I did last year and I've been using it for my hair. Okay, I'm going to add my hair oil into the treatment and I'll mix everything together and I'll apply this on my hair. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay now, so here is my hair. It's all dried. I'm using a white hair cloth. Okay, it's really soft. I'm going to use that nylon bag to cover my hair when I'm done applying this all over my hair. So I'm going to section my hair. This is how my hair feels. I'm going to section it, apply it all over my hair, then I will allow this to stay for a while, then I'll come back and show you guys my results.
Maria, stop putting that inside your mouth.
It's cooking.
Which cooking?
Yes.
Okay, you're cooking rice.
So like I'm done applying this all over my hair. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm just trying to stretch it out and all. So let's talk about the benefits of egg yolk. Okay, it adds shine to your hair. Okay, it helps to stop dryness of hair. It helps to stop your breakage, and if your hair is damaged, use egg yolk. Okay, so it helps to improve hair growth. And egg yolk is really amazing for your hair. It has vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin. It's good for your hair follicles. And again, just egg yolk is an amazing home remedy for your hair. All right, guys, so I'm just talking blah 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 blah, and right here I'm gonna use my nylon to cover my hair, and I'll telling you guys the benefits of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is good for your hair strengthening. It helps to moisturize your hair because of the creamy texture. Okay, it helps to remove frizziness from your hair. It's a very good ingredient to use as your deep condition or deep treatment. Okay, see, mayonnaise and egg yolk, those two combination is always amazing. Like, see, my hair is literally dripping.
Guys, I'm done with my wash day, and this is what we have. My hair feels so soft with using all those that egg and this thing, which is really healthy for our hair. And I'm just going to allow my hair to rest. I'll put my oil, my leave-in condition, and I'll allow the hair to rest. I don't think I'm gonna plait it or anything. I'm just going to let it breathe. Then I'm gonna do a video where I'm doing a hair tea. Maybe when I do that hair tea video, that is when I will plait the hair to be applying it. And that's the hair tea video will be a challenge. Yeah, so stay tuned, stay glued to the channel, guys. Okay, because I feel I might be doing more of challenges, 2 week challenges. Yeah, 2 week challenges more often in this year. Okay, stay glued to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, and comment. This is what I deal with if you're a mom. This is what and a content creator. This is what I deal with a toddler that know how to distract her mother when she's doing a video. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.